accurate, reliable, getting the facts right. This is News 5 This Weekend in high definition.
Good morning, and thanks for joining us for News 5 This Weekend on a chilly Saturday. I'm Maggie Smolka, but one place where it's not too chilly right now, the Sunshine State, and that's where we find News 5's meteorologist Ricky Matthews. He's at the U.S. Air Force Base at Cape Canaveral for a historic rocket launch. Ricky, what's the status for GOES-R this morning?
Maggie, GOES-R still scheduled for a 5:42 p.m. launch this afternoon. As you mentioned, really a historic and game changer here in the weather industry. It is going to revolutionize what we do in weather, giving us much higher image quality, giving us faster images, and giving us images we've never seen before. Now, the rocket wasn't, always here. It had to get here first, and that took a few days. We have a little bit of video we want to show you. Let's throw that up right now. Before GOES-R can start providing us with weather data we have never seen before, it had to be transported to the launch pad. On August 22nd, GOES-R was transferred from Buckley Air Force Base in Colorado to the Kennedy Space Center aboard U.S. Air Force C-5 Galaxy cargo transport aircraft. Once at the center, GOES underwent testing and inspection in NASA's clean room, ensuring the instruments on board were all working properly and the satellite was ready to be encapsulated. This happened in late October. Originally, GOES-R was scheduled for launch on November 4th, but the impacts of Hurricane Matthew and a minor issue with a booster on the Atlas V rocket forced delays. However, the time has now come to launch. And that launch will happen later today, 5:42 p.m., right around 11 a.m. is when they're going to start loading some of the fuel for the rocket on board. Then a little bit later, tanking will happen. 2:07 is one of the first holds. And then we have a poll that comes in right around 5:30 or so to give the go or no-go decision for launch. And of course, you can watch the launch live on our website, WCYB.com, and you can follow us throughout Twitter and Facebook all throughout the day as well. We'll have live updates as we're the only station from Northeast Tennessee here at the Kennedy Space Center getting ready for the launch of GOES-R a little bit later this afternoon. We'll have more updates through the rest of the show, but for now, I'm meteorologist Ricky Matthews reporting live from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
All right, looks very neat out there. Thank you so much.